Hey, if the Bluetooth toggle is missing on your Windows 11 PC, yeah, that can be really confusing. You open settings and it's just gone. The good news is this is usually an easy fix. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to restore the missing Bluetooth toggle. So let's get started. First, open Device Manager. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager, then expand Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth adapter is listed and enabled. If it's disabled, right-click and select Enable Device. Next, update your Bluetooth drivers. Right-click your adapter in Device Manager, choose Update Driver, then search Automatically. Uh, this ensures Windows recognizes your Bluetooth hardware properly. Sometimes the service that manages Bluetooth is turned off. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, hit Enter, find Bluetooth Support Service, right-click it, and choose Restart. Also make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Windows has a built-in troubleshooter that can fix missing toggle issues. Go to Settings Arrow System, Arrow Troubleshoot, Arrow. Other troubleshooters, Arrow Bluetooth, Arrow Run, and follow the instructions. Next, make sure Windows 11 is fully updated. Sometimes missing features like the Bluetooth toggle are fixed in system updates. Go to Settings, Arrow Windows, Update, Arrow, check for updates. If the toggle is still missing, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Bluetooth adapter. Right-click the adapter in Device Manager, choose Uninstall Device, then restart your PC. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. Finally, a simple reboot often restores the toggle. After trying these steps, restart your PC and check settings again. And that's it. Following these steps should bring back the missing Bluetooth toggle on Windows 11. If this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.